Hi everyone, my name is Aditya. This is the second video. Today we'll be seeing some basic features of the Power Automate. If you don't know me, my name is Aditya Tiwari. I'm 19 years old, working in HCL Tech, having the experience of more than 2 years. Uh, I have gained the skills in the Power Automate, in automation and AI tools, and I'll be sharing you and distributing this knowledge with you. So today we'll see the basic structure of Power Automate, how Power Automate works, and how you can see your flows, what are the interface, just the basic outline of Power Automate. Do multiple things about this. Just give you a basic idea about Power Automate. It's an powerful automation tool provided by Microsoft, and it is integrated with each and every Microsoft application coming from Teams, Outlook, Excel, and whatnot. So you can do a lot of things with this particular tool. You can make the flows, you can trigger some actions, and according to you can set up the task which computer will do at its own. So it's a powerful tool designed by Microsoft. You have multiple applications integrated inside it. What you can do is you can create the triggers, you can create flows, and based on those triggers, if that trigger is triggered, then there will be a task auto performed by computer at its own. So can make your daily task efficient around 35 to 40% using this single tool. So without wasting any further time, let's dive into what is Power Automate. First, you need to go to Power Automate website. So you can just search over here Power Automate. Search, you'll see the first option as macpowerautomate.com. Just click on it. Click on it, sign in with your, and you'll be able to see this type of interface in your Power Automate. So we'll be covering what these all things are, what these all options is. You also have the Copilot currently integrated with Power Automate. So if I give you some broad interface over here, you will be seeing the Power Automate option. Over here you can search, and over here you have various environments. You can create your own environments if you have the admin credentials. Here are a few settings regarding Power Automate. You can view the Power Automate settings. What is the reason? There are some experimental features which Power Automate provides by default. So you can also look at those additional features which Power Automate provide at its own. Okay, so I'm just going to cancel this for now. Yeah, so this is the home page. Over here you have this Copilot integrated. So there is a new feature which Power Automate has introduced, as it is a Microsoft based application, so they have also integrated Copilot in this. Over here what you can do is you can just define your flow over here. I'll be making a different video how you can just create the your complete automation flow by just using the Copilot. But let me first take you through these options over here. So this is the home page. Over here you have various courses listed over here. So if you are just starting with Power Automate, official Microsoft pages also provide you this learning support over there. So you can go to their learning pages. This will redirect you to the Microsoft Learn page. Over there you can learn what are the basic related to Power Automate. They provide a very good quality of courses over there as well. So the second option is to create. So over here you will be seeing various options. So these are the type of flows which we can create in Power Automate. I'll be covering each and every flow. We'll be covering each and every flow in different videos. To give you the broad surface level idea, automated cloud flows run on their own. So they need some trigger point, and once that trigger is generated, this flow will be executed, and whatever task you have mentioned in the flow will be completed. Instant cloud flow. These flows run manually, so you need to manually run this flow to make it work. Third is the schedule cloud flow. It's a time basis cloud flow. So what you can do is in a particular day, if you want to run a Power Automate flow at a particular point of time, you can specify that time and the flow will run on that exact time by the cloud, so you don't need to be sitting on the machine to run that flow. It will be flow once that time will be reached. So over here the time is the trigger point. This is again that AI builds the co-pilot thing. You can describe your flow and it will design for you. Desktop flow is a complete new domain, so it has a lot of things to do. It's just that you can interact with your desktop applications as well using the desktop flow. uh, this is a process mining. This is just related to how your flow is performing. You can see the flow's performance, where which flow has failed. You will be able to see the errors incoming in your flow. So this is basically monitoring tool. You can monitor your flows using process mining. Then you have the option for templates. So now what is templates? So Microsoft by default provide you some templates to create the Power Automate flow. So you don't need to design each and every flow by your own. You have various templates over here. So it's, for example, this is a flow where, so whenever a new file will be uploaded on OneDrive, it will send you a notification about that. You have too many flows over here. Over here you can see the old templates. You also have topics you have shared with me. You have remote work approval. So if you have something related to approval in your organization, you can view the approval flows over here. We'll be creating a lot of different flows, and I'll show you how easy it is to create the flow and making your tedious daily task reduced by 40 to 50%. Then you have buttons, you have Visio related flows, you have data collection flows, you have email related, mobile related, and many more. Then again, it's the learning option, so it will redirect you to this official Microsoft page, the Learn Microsoft page. They have great study material over there, so you can go check out the study material and you'll get a very broad idea of how the flows work and what Power Automate really is. After that, this will be our main page where we'll be handling many flows. So I have currently these many flows with me. So this is the page where we'll be creating new flows. You can also create it from here. You also have option to create the flow from here. You can import. So there is an option that you can share this flow with someone. Okay, so you can share it, and once you share it, the other person can import the same flow, but there is a condition that it should not include any personal information. It comes with Microsoft official privacy policy. So there is a condition that it should not contain any personal information, then only you can share this flow with anyone. Over here you have option to install the Power Automate for desktop. So you can also install the desktop application for Power Automate. The desktop application is used to create connect with desktop applications like your browser and all, and you can do a lot many things with Power Automate for desktop as well. We'll be covering it, but the main focus of us will be mainly on the Power Automate cloud flows. So this is currently the cloud flows we'll be managing over the browser. Over here you have the approvals. You don't need to see any approvals over here. So if you have any workflows where there is an approval needed, or there is any workflow which is related to approvals, you will be able to see the approvals received, sent, and the history of the approvals. You have solutions. So this solution page is also will be not taking a much time over there. We'll be having the main function with this four options. One is home, create, template, learn, and my flows. So you'll be able to see many options over there as well. Solution is just about an environment, like if you need a separate environment, a separate domain to just create, like you have 5 to 6 flows, right? And if they are related to some one thing, and you need that those flows should be inside one solution, one integrated solution, what you can do is you can create a solution and you can put those flow inside that solution. So it's kind of a module. So if you have some module with you, and if you have seen inside that module you have different files, right? So similar to this, you have the solutions. You can create new solutions, you can import the solutions, and this is the process mining where you'll be seeing many of the things, how the things are going over with your flows. You have AI Hub. We'll be covering AI Hub in depth. It is a brilliant feature, a very outstanding feature inside the Power Automate. You can do a lot more things integrating the AI tools with your current flows. You have automation center. This is also a monitoring session. It will show you how your flows perform, what is last 7 days data, previews and all, desktop flow activities. So uh, it's related to your desktop flow. If you have the Power Automate desktop and you have the desktop flow, then you can see over there you have more options over here. There are some connectors inside the Power Automate. You can create your custom connectors. You have tables, you have work queues, you have machines, and you have lot more things. If you want to know more, you can click on discover all and you will be able to see a lot more things. You have UI elements, you have capacity utilization, you have work queues, machines, AI builder activity. So you have a lot of things over here. I'll be sharing you some tips like what is important things over here and what is just for the documentation purpose. Over here you will be able to see Power Platforms. You have these Power Platforms currently available with the Microsoft and they all works brilliant. They makes your life easier by 40 to 50%. At least I have seen it in my personal life. uh, I was working as a service desk agent. I have seen what the tedious task I was doing, uh, playing with the mails, the notification over the teams. So why to repeat the task and why to do the tedious task again and again when we have the computer to do it, right? So if the machine just need instruction, the proper instruction. So if we provide the proper instruction that what we are doing daily, the machines can do it, right? So yes, that's what it is. That's what the Power Automate is. It will help you see what are the capabilities of machines, and honestly, sky is the limit. So with new coming technology, sky is the limit. You can see a broad revolution coming, and there will be new jobs created, and the jobs will be for who can manage these flows, who can create these flows, who can tell machine exactly what machine needs to do. So this is the basic structure of how Power Automate works. This is the basic interface. In the next video we'll be covering how you can create a Power Automate flow. We'll be creating very basic flow. I'll explain you each and everything with that flow. So stay tuned for the next video. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. I'm just trying to bring this revolution. This is just an initiative. Be the part of initiative, be the part of community. Keep learning, keep growing, and yes, don't lose your uniqueness. Bye bye.